In this video, I will show you how to use NRF24L01 module with ESP32 using push button and OLED display. Push button press count value display in OLED screen. Additionally, I have connected one LED each side to know status of transmission and receiver. Please watch full video to make this project.